Okay, so let me just address really quick why these are called by these nationalities: Italian, German, and French. Um, Looking around online, it seems that no one really knows. No one really knows why we call them that. They don't have really any deep connection with the German, French, or Italian music history. Um, the best I can find is I'm looking at some theory websites, and someone says, "Why the national names? No particular reason. They had to be called something." So that's what it was. Um, there's some debate about their primary usage at some point came about in the different types of opera: Italian opera, French opera, and German opera. That might have spawned something, but just like the Neapolitan chord, these are names that somebody used at some time for whatever reason, and they stuck. Um, they don't really have any basis in French composers were particularly interested in using the French one, and that's why we called it French. It's not really like that. They're really just kind of arbitrary names at this point. Until someone discovers some crazy document in which somebody figures out exactly how they got those names, we don't know, and there's probably no good reason. So they're just names. You can think of them like uh, Susan, Johnny, and Amy. They're basically arbitrary names, just like everything else. So um, keep that in mind, I suppose, if you were wondering.